Hey, what's up, Honey Crunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to Honey Crunch 321. Last time I shared with you guys the price that OPI Philippines gave me, and in order to claim it, I paid for the 362 pesos shipping fee. All of the details on what contests I've joined and more are on my previous video, so just click the iCard above or check out the link in the description box if you haven't watched it yet. Okay, so I'll be swatching and reviewing this OPI's 2018 Disney the Nutcracker and the Four Realms 4-piece mini nail polish set. So before every swatch, I'm applying my favorite peel-off nail mask first. Then the first shade I tried is Dreams Need Clarification. Now for its second coat. As you can see, it's still a bit patchy and a bit sheer, therefore I am applying the third coat. Dreams Need Clarification has a cool tone of light blue. This has a creme finish. Second shade I tried is March in Uniform. Now for the second coat. March in Uniform also has a creme finish and it has that navy blue kind of shade. Third nail polish I swatched is Dazzling Dewdrop. Now for its second coat. Dazzling Dewdrop has a shimmery sheer gold shade and it's packed with micro glitters. And the last nail polish I swatched is Tinker Thinker Winker. Then as I apply the second coat, I'm using my camera flash to show you its holographic effect. Tinker Thinker Winker has a silver linear holographic finish, and it looks super amazing! This set contains 4 mini nail polishes in 3.75 ml bottles. It has 2 creme nail polishes, 1 shimmer nail polish, and 1 holographic nail polish. I had a bit of a difficult time holding the brush because it's a bit tiny compared to the rest of the nail polishes I've tried. You know when you paint your nails and the brush starts to flare or widen, then you have to put the brush back into the bottle, and it's a bit difficult when doing it with this kind of bottles because it's so tiny and the brush has the tendency to not fit right inside, and then the brush will end up like this. So you have to be careful not to ruin the brush. All of the shades are opaque within 2 coats except for the lightest shade, which is Dreams Need Clarification. It comes with a super cool box, and guess what? These are my very first OPI nail polishes. By the way, here's the actual size of the bottles compared to a 5 peso coin. Super tiny and cute, right? Which from Tinker Thinker Winker, Dreams Need Clarification, Marching Uniform, and Dazzling Dewdrop is your favorite? If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and to see the swatches for these 4 nail polishes. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!